So the latest release is 2022.12.1, and this is the release notes from it. So the first thing is additional bottom bar customization. So now it looks like it's got an extra one here, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one you press to pull up others. Now you can hold the icons to customize. So let's say you want to put Spotify into here, so you can press and hold and then bring it down into my apps. I don't want that, but you've now got defrost, front and rear, seat warmers and wipers. So if we say want to put wipers in here, there we go. All right, so we've got wipers. I've got my rear view camera, the phone, the radio and the camera, and then that is the last one used. So you've now got the wiper control there, so you can change it quite easily. So that's quite an additional useful feature that I'm sure a lot of people will appreciate. Now there is also Disney, and if you go into the theatre, then you've got Disney, and there it is. So Disney is now coming up. I don't have Disney, so we will close it. So the next thing is child locks. So if we have a look at child locks, you can now enable the child locks for either both back doors, or the right or the left, and that's actually done via two different methods. You can go into the controls and child lock off. You can now choose both left or right, or if you want, you go into locks and then you've got child lock off, both left and right. Okay, so you can have it off if you want. I had it on because I had my grandchildren in the car recently. So that's a nice useful feature. Mobile app controls. You can now do dog mode and camp mode from the app. You need to update to the app version 4.7.0, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then for those of you that are Turkish, you've now got Turkish language support. So this is all the new things from 2022.12.1, which I'm sure a lot of people will be quite happy with this extra spot down the bottom and the ability to add front and rear defrost, windscreen wipers and so on from into that menu down there, rather than have to touch that and then press and hold, and then they'll come up there. So this is the update. I had 2022.8.2, which actually was causing a few problems because the cruise control, the full self-driving, automatic emergency braking was working sometimes and not others. So hopefully now I'll be able to use those without any problems. And here in the app, we've just scroll up a little bit to go to climate. When you click on climate, that screen opens up. Now you need to scroll up, and there you've got defrost, camp mode, dog mode, and you've also got your cabin overheat protection. So you can scroll that back down. You can go to the left back to your original screen. So there you have it. I hope you found that helpful.